septic washer, and I've got the wall for the shower stall mocked up. I just need to plumb it up and down before I screw the top in, but the bottom's all screwed in. You can see I've added a backing block for the toilet paper roll holder, or as my mates over in the UK say, a bog roll holder. So that's the next step done. Now, later on this afternoon, we'll have the one-piece fiberglass shower stall here, and we'll be able to go ahead and start getting that installed. Stick around, like, comment, subscribe.